Hi guys, let's learn another word today. Our word for today is persnickety. Persnickety means fussy, overly particular, or difficult to please. Now, someone who gives a lot of attention to details that are minor are not important. Synonym po ng persnickety is careful, choosy, picky. Okay? In Tagalog, it can be translated as masyadong maarte, masyadong pihikan, masyadong mabusisi. Okay? Very meticulous or overly detailed. So, example sentence is, she is so persnickety about food. Napakaarte niya sa pagkain. Okay? Yun po ang word natin ngayong araw. Persnickety. Have you heard this word? I've never heard this word before, so it's a new word for me too.